beautiful people, welcome back to God Given. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite ingredients. It is corn with red bell pepper and butter. That's what I'm going to be making today. It's very simple but very delicious. You can also use fresh corn. White corn makes this dish even better, but I'm going to be using the whole kernel corn from Del Monte in the can today. But I usually use the white corn, the fresh white corn. Then I'm just going to chop up this bell pepper and put in a little butter, and it's going to be too good. Okay, beloved, here's the corn in the pot, medium-sized pot, and we're just going to add a whole bell pepper, red bell pepper, chopped up. So it's chopped up into small, bite-sized pieces. Just going to stir that in. And so to this, I'm going to add the butter, just about a tablespoon of the butter to it. And we're only going to season this. I'm just going to season it with a little salt and pepper, but I'm going to do that later. So right now we just want to bring this to a nice simmer. So we're going to turn it on medium to medium high just till it starts simmering. So let's put a lid on it and let it simmer on medium. Should only take about 5 minutes, and then we'll turn it down and simmer it. So the cooking time is over. It's been about 10 to 12 minutes max for the corn. Make sure you season it with some salt and pepper, and then we're just going to put it aside because I'm going to be serving this with some mashed potatoes and some oven fried chicken wings that I made. So here's the corn with the red bell peppers. I put a little pepper in it. I didn't put too much salt on it because it's already seasoned with sea salt. So just going to stir it and get ready to serve it. So here's my plate, what I'm going to be eating for dinner tonight. Red bell peppers and corn, sour cream and chives, mashed potatoes, and my oven fried chicken wings. So make you some. These are all in separate videos. The corn and the chicken wings are in separate videos. So make you some. Let me know how it turns out. Okay, thanks for visiting me here on God Given. Chat with you later. Bye bye.